Hello, good morning, students. I am R. N. Jha from Mahatma Gandhi Shikshan Sansthan, Darbhanga. Today, I am going to teach you physics of class 9. It is the first chapter, that is motion. The topic for today is non-uniform velocity. Dear students, non-uniform. What is its meaning? Non-uniform means there is no equality. It is not same. What is not same? The velocity. Its definition. How may we define non-uniform velocity? If any object does not travel equal displacements in equal intervals of time, even the time interval is very small, then it is said that the object is moving with non-uniform velocity. Dear students, it is the definition of non-uniform velocity. Now try to understand it. If any object does not travel equal displacements, you know, displacement, that is direction distance with direction. So here it is given equal displacements in equal intervals of time, means the time interval is same, but the displacement, that is not equal, means either the distances traveled by the object, they will not be same, or the direction, that will not be the same. Then we may say the object is moving with non-uniform velocity. Here, if any object is moving with non-uniform velocity, then in every movement, either its rapidity, direction, or both not same. If the object is moving with non-uniform velocity, then it may be possible that the rapidity of the object is not same, direction is same. Opposite to it, rapidity is same, but the direction is not same. Or maybe both, means the rapidity as well as the direction, both are not same. Dear students, it clears it clears that if the direction of an object is same but the rapidity changes, then the velocity of the object is non-uniform. Here it is clear that rapidity changes, direction is same, the opposite the object is moving in the same direction, but its rapidity is not same, then we say the velocity of the object is non-uniform. Opposite to it, if the rapidity of the object is same but the direction changes, then the velocity of the object is also non-uniform. In first case, we understood direction. Direction of the object is same. Direction same, but the rapidity changes. Rapidity changes means the speed of object changes. Direction is same. Then it is non-uniform velocity. Opposite to it, rapidity is same, means the speed of the object is same, but the direction of the object that changes. That changes. Then also we may say that the velocity of the object is non-uniform. And third situation, third case, both means rapidity as well as the direction. Rapidity of the object changes as well as the direction of the object also changes. Then it is also non-uniform velocity. Dear students, generally in our daily lives, if we find the velocities, mostly they are non-uniform because either rapidity changes or some when direction changes and some when both. So almost when we say the velocity, means generally we find non-uniform velocity. Practically it is very difficult to find uniform velocity. I told you in previous video, it is very difficult. So generally in our daily lives we find non-uniform velocity. Dear students, already non-uniform means we have to keep it in mind. As we say, non-uniform velocity means it is very clear, since velocity, it is speed plus direction. Either the speed will change or the direction will change, or it may be possible both are changed, both are different. Therefore it is non-uniform velocity. Dear students, I think it is advantageous for you. You must have to revise it. We will meet in next video. Till then, thank you very much.